Hi, this is the Realme 11 Pro and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store application, enter in the search bowl the green Apple keyboard, and now we should get this first application. So tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click enable in settings, and in green Apple keyboard click on the switcher, tap to activate and go back. Tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's just check the new look of our keyboard, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.